In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update contact information on eBay, an essential skill for managing your online account and ensuring that your contact details are always up to date. Whether you've recently moved, changed your phone number, or just updated your email address, it's important to reflect these changes on your eBay account. Let's jump right into how you can do this. To begin, make sure you're logged into your eBay account, which is your main gateway to all settings changes. Once logged in, you need to navigate to the Account Settings page. You can find it by hovering over the My eBay drop-down menu in the top right corner of your screen. Click on that and you'll see several options. From here, select Account Settings. This area serves as your hub for managing how your account functions, and this is where we'll dive into personal updates. Next, once you're on the Account Settings page, look for the Personal Information section. It's usually easy to find as it's prominently displayed. Click on Personal Information to open up more specific options. Here, you will find the different types of contact information that you can manage, such as your phone number, address, and email. When you select Edit next to the contact information you intend to update, you'll be able to enter the new details. Let's say you've gotten a new phone number. Simply click on Edit beside the phone number field, and a new page will open where you can input your updated number. If it's your address that needs changing, make sure to enter the most current and precise information to avoid any issues with deliveries or billing. Likewise, inputting an updated email ensures that you don't miss important messages or account alerts. Double-check what you've entered before saving, just to make sure everything is accurate. Once you've entered all your updated data, look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of these sections. Clicking Save commits these changes to your account. It's critical to press this button, as failing to do so will result in your updates not being recorded, meaning all the information you just input will be lost. So don't skip this step. That's all there is to it. By keeping your contact information current on eBay, you ensure a seamless shopping and selling experience. Keeping these details updated helps in receiving timely notifications and maintaining smooth communications. Thanks for watching, and I hope you now feel confident managing your eBay contact information. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.